In the heart of Central Oregon, Master Pro Clean stands as a unique family-owned business. Despite their dedication, getting consistent customer reviews was an uphill battle for the team. For over 3 years, manual follow-ups through emails proved tedious and inefficient. Michael explored multiple options, but nothing captivated him like NiceJob's photo integration. With NiceJob, Master Pro Clean witnessed an astonishing 113% increase in reviews in mere months. Their team has adapted their workflow, adding photos to every review request sent. Michael emphasizes the significant return on investment, despite the extra effort involved. The integration with Responsibid streamlined their process, eliminating double data entry. Thanks to NiceJob's support team, their website showcases engaging stories beautifully. Elevated brand image and customer engagement have set Master Pro Clean apart from competitors.